Basically, I'm up in Turkey. Well, I'm back in Turkey. Or I say back. Well, I've been here, but I never made a video about it. Anyways, guys, currently in a thunderstorm. Yeah, and there's been a few lightning strikes. So I have no clue what to do to occupy you guys. I've only got 5 minutes. I've only got 5 minutes to satisfy you all, so who knows? So I've just played filming. My dad's just getting my dad's getting a drink from my food. And yeah. There used to be a herd of massive herd of sheep. Anyways, guys, I've got one question. Is there anything I can do to make me a better YouTuber? Like perhaps do comedies, horrors, Christmas specials, Easter specials? I don't know. What should I do? Oh yeah, but yesterday I slapped my arm on my wrist on a fridge magnet whilst I was buying them, ready to go back to England. Yeah. It hurt. Started bleeding. I kept on sucking the blood out. I finally got a hold plaster on it. Yeah. I can't wait to get back to England. But actually, yeah. I don't know why, and I don't want to leave, but I also do. It's hard to explain. Anyways. So guys, I know I've disappeared for like a few months, and I started posting before like a few months ago. Sorry buddies, I was on holiday, and I still am. And I'll be like, you've been on holiday for months? No, I've been on holiday for like 10 days. I just keep on forgetting to post videos on it somehow. I don't know. Oh, come on! I just missed the perfect shot for this. There was a full-on lightning strike. Oh yeah, I got in a hotel. There's also this thing called a mini club. So yeah. Oh yeah. It's there. I don't feel okay. Sorry for not posting in a while. I think I've still got 21 subscribers. I've not checked. But you all need to know something. That thing is, smash that like button and hit the subscribe button. Do it now. You've got 3 whole seconds. Actually, let's make it 5. So lucky day. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? Better off. No. Listen here, James Clarkson. Better subscribe. Better off hit it now. Just imagine there was some called James Clarkson watching this. Anyways. Now what happened? In the time Ross I've been wrong, I got a girlfriend. No, I stayed away from dating cause I'm getting off the subject anyways. Yeah, there's been a thunderstorm. Yeah, but yesterday my sister lost her bag, and then arcade here. Anyways, that's gonna be it. I guess okay, we've only got like 10 seconds left. So, anyways, guys, it was nice talking to you again. So, bye.